Good day, everyone. Okay, we will study the revision sheet in a small brief so you can study it well to prepare well for the semester 1 exam. Okay, so please concentrate and review with me. Okay, first question is about analysis percent and numbers. Percent, the meaning of percent is what? It's a fraction. Okay, percent is a fraction. Percent is a fraction. Its denominator is 100. Okay, that's it. So 40% means 40 over 100. That's it. So it's a fraction, but its denominator always 100. And we can write it in decimal form. It can be written as 0.4. So 0.4 is the same as 40%. Okay? Okay. So to convert from a number to percent, we multiply by 100. And from percent to number, we divide it by 100. Okay? This is the main form of percent. Okay? Let's solve. First question, what is 60% of 125? Actually, I have two ways to solve this question. Simple way is 60%, we will convert it to number. So 60% means 0.6, as we say, because 60% is 60 over 100. Okay? Of 125, of here means multiply 125. Simplify. So it's divided 5 equal 2, divided 5 equal 25. Yes, divided 5 equal, I think it's 25. So we can make long division. 125 divided 5 equal 12. It's 2 times 5. 10, 2, 5, it will be 5, 25. Yes, it's 25. 25 times divided to equal 1, divided to equal 3. 3 times 25, it will be 75. Okay, so the answer is 75. Okay, this is a simple way of answering a question like this one. But actually, I have another way to solve this question, which is what? I have a general formula for percent. To calculate the percent consists of part and whole and percent. Part over whole equal percent over 100. Always we search about, it will give me three things. One of them is already known as 100, so it's okay. We doesn't need to know the 100, it's fixed. Okay, but sometimes he will give me the whole and the part and ask for the percent, or the opposite, give me the percent and the part and ask for the whole, or give me the whole and the percent and ask for the part. How to calculate it? Actually, here in our problem here, we can consider 60% as a percent because it's the percent, so I have the percent here. Of, after the word of, always it's the whole number. He need something of the whole number. Okay, so whole number always come after of. So I can put instead of whole 125. Okay, here, and up I need the part. Okay, then percent, instead of percent I put 60. Okay, so the new form is part over 125 equal 60 over 100. And we can make cross multiplication to find the part. The number with the part always in the denominator, so part equals, I will write it here, part equal, the number with the part down, 100 Okay, and then 60 up, 60 multiply the other scissor, 60 multiply 125. After simplify and multiply, it will become 75 as we solve the first. Actually, the first method is more simple than this, but sometimes we need this method of part and whole, especially in the word problems, okay? In story problems or something like this, it become more easier to find the formula, okay? So we will not use any more formulas, just the whole formula, general form, or direct from here by multiplying. Okay? Okay, let's continue. So take care about it, remember it well, because we will solve most of the problem with these two kind of formulas, okay? Second one, Austin correctly answered 92% of the question. Actually, I have percent. This is the percent of the question on a geographic quiz. Let's answer it 47 of 50. 47 of 50. After of becomes always what? Whole, yes. So 47 is part. Okay. Question correctly. Who earned higher score? Okay. I know that he answered 90%, 92%. So if I can find the percent of Liz, I can compare between them. Let's find the percent of Liz. Percent of Liz equal part over whole. Part here is 40. 7. This is about Liz. Liz percent. Okay. Part over whole. The whole is 50. Equal percent. I don't know, so I need the percent over 100. Make cross multiplication. So percent equal, what was percent down? 50. And up 100, multiply 47. Simplify, divided 50 equal 1, divided 50 equal 2. So 2 multiply 47 will be 96%. Who earns more? Yeah, sure, it's less. Okay, because Austin at the beginning earns only 92, so less is more than higher, or has a higher degree than more than Austin. Okay, this is how to use the general formula of part and whole. Okay, let's go to another question. Okay. Let's calculate. There are 99 male and 121 female participating in marathon. What is the percent of the participants and are female? So he want to calculate the female only. Okay. What is the total here? Actually, the total is to add both male and female. So total equal 99 plus 121, which is equal 100 to 220. So the total of all participating in the marathon, male and female, are 220. He need to calculate the female. So the female is the part. Okay, use the formula now. He need what? He needs the percent, so I need the percent, so percent equal, as we said before, the main formula, part over whole equal percent over 100, so part over whole equal percent over 100, okay? This is the main formula, don't forget it, always remember it. Okay, to find the percent, we will multiply it by the whole. Whole here is 100. So the whole will be down. Okay. Up is what? Up is 100. Multiply the part, which is 121. Calculate it, 21. Calculate it and finish the problem. Okay. The same in the next question. He gave me some people using transportation of some people. Okay, well, some of them like cars, so 758, and some ride bus, and some walk, others 100. So the total, you must find the total. Total will be what? The whole. So we must find the total. It will be the whole. He wants to know the percent of the employees work to work. He need this number only. So this is the part. Please use the part and the whole formula to find the percent of the worker people. Okay? Another question. How to calculate example like this one. Choose whether the fraction and percent are equivalent. Okay, is this are equivalent? 40% means 40 over 100, but this one is 40 over 1000, so they are not equivalent. Yes, 5 over 6 equal 120 over 100. Yes, 120 over 100. Simplify. 0 is 0. Divided 2 equal 5. Divided 2 equal 6. Yes, it's the same. So they are equivalent. Equivalent means what? Equivalent means what? They have the same value. Okay? Okay. If we calculate this, it will be not equal. If we calculate this one, 1 over 8 multiply 125 multiply 125, it will be 0.125. So this is the decimal form. What about this form? If I divided it by 100, it will give me the same answer. So they are equal. Okay? Another question. The same as we solved in the first example. 59% of means multiply, so it's 59 over 100 multiply what? 640. Calculate it and find the answer. Next one, so it's 0.20 over 100 of means multiply 3542. Simplify and then find the answer. It's easy. Yes. Next question. The total cost of an item is the price plus the sales tax. Always, if you buy from any shop, it will give me the main price or the original price and adding to it 10%, maybe 10% as a tax or 5% as a tax. Here in our problem, the tax was 4%. So I have the percent. And have the selling price here before. Okay? So before adding the sales price, before always become the whole. So this is the whole number. So I need what? Part. Found the part, please. So part over whole equal percent over 100. So part over whole equal percent over 100. Okay? Instead of whole, I'll put 40. And instead of percent, I'll put 4. Then I need to find the part, make cross multiplication. So P equal, or tax, actually sales tax. Tax should be what? Equal, down 100, up 4 multiply 40, which is equal 0, 0. 4 times 4, 8, divide 4 times 4, 16, divided 10, it will be 1.6 US dollar extra fees. So the total should be what? Total at the end, total of what? He will pay equal 40 plus the sales tax 1.6, so at last equal 41.6 US dollar. Okay? Okay. Another question. Most most of the lessons of this is another lesson. Most of lessons of problems about the ratio and percent and proportional are using the general formula. So here he want to know 65% of 90. He needed by formula. As I told you before, this is the percent. Okay? And this is the whole. After off, it's the whole. So I need the part. How to calculate the part? I can call the part x over 90, the whole, equal percent, 65 over 100. Which one of this is equivalent? Yes, it's P. Maybe it's no, it's not B. It's not P. It's x over 50. Sorry, x over 90. X over 90 equal. It's C. Yes, it's C. Okay, sorry. So maybe it's different here. He only gets the left hand side instead of the right hand side. It's okay. In equation, it's okay to get to write left hand side instead of left hand side or the opposite. Okay? So it's to start with 65 over 100 is this equal x over 90 is the same as we starting with x over 90 equal 65 over 100. Okay? Okay. Next. During bowling practice, Marley rolled 14 strike. Marley rolled what? 14. Out of what? So it's part out of whole. Okay, calculate the percent, please. He needs the percent. Okay? Easy by our formula. When you find, next question, when you find 420% of a number, so this is the percent of a number whole. Okay? So we are looking for what? Part. Yes. But it's very big percent. Yes, sometimes part may be bigger than the whole. Okay? Sometimes part may become bigger than the whole. It's okay. Next. Annette is surveying people in the city about their interest in a new shopping mall. Okay, she found that 180 people, or 37.5 of those surveyed, do not want a new mall. How many people did Annette survey? Lesson 1. 180 here is the same as the person. He needs the whole. It's not the all the people. She asked only 180 of them. 37.5 of them. Okay? Are what? So this is a part. So I consider it as a part. And this is the percent of part, and I need the whole. Okay, use the formula and find the whole, so you will find the whole pupil. Next question. The Washingtons buy a studio apartment for this number, okay? They pay down payment of 60,000 US dollar. So they pay some part of the whole. So this is the whole. And this is the part. First, he needs the percentage of down payment. Down payment is 60, so we'll use the formula to find the percent. But in the next one, he changed the part. So part now is 100, so this is the part, new part. He doesn't need to pay 60%, 60,000 US dollar. So he changed it to 12. So can you calculate the percent? Yes, it's the same formula. Okay? Okay. Again, next question. Someone has read 13 chapters of 22 chapter, okay, 13 of 22, part, whole. Use the formula and find the percent, okay? A school year has 4 quarters. A school year has 4 quarters, okay? What percent of school year is 7 quarters? What if I raise them to 7? Which is the part and which is the whole? The main whole is 4. This is the whole. Okay? Because always it's 4 quarters. But they raise it for some reasons to 7. Okay? So the whole here and the part. The percent of school year is 7 quarters. So I need to calculate the percent of 7. It will be more bigger, yes. Yes, it's okay. Sometimes, as I told you before, we can have part more than whole. So we will consider 7 as a part. So 7 over 4 equal percent, which I want to calculate, over 100. So percent equal, okay, cross multiplication. It will be 4 down and 7 multiply 100. So divided 4 equal 1, divided 4 equal 25. 25 times 7 equal 175. 175 what? Percent. So it's more than 100. Yes, because the part is more than the whole. So it's normal to find the percent more than 100%. Okay? Next lesson. Represent and use of percent equation. As we said before, this is our general formula. The same, repeated lesson. 12%. Okay, as a commission. Of what? Of 1,000. So this is the whole. And I need to calculate the commission, so I need the part. Use the formula and find the part. And this is the percent. Okay? Easy. A restaurant automatically charge 20% gratuity if a party has 6 or more people. Okay? That means what? If I have in the party more than 6, I have to pay more charges. Okay? How much gratuity is added to the a party of 6? Party of 6, so 6, it started from 6. If the bill is 144, so the main is the bill. This is the whole. And I will add 20%. I need the part. So this is the percent. I need the part. Find the part, please, and you can solve the problem. Next one. Next one is complex. Next question number 3 is complex. 2 questions in 1 question. How? Okay. A large university accepted 70% of students who apply. Okay? So it will not accept all the students. Only will accept 70% of who apply. Of the students, the university accept 25 actually enroll. Actually enroll, they will take 25. From what? From who apply. From who they accept. Okay? Okay. If 20,000 students apply, this is the whole from the beginning. Okay? How many enroll? We need to calculate it in 2 steps. First step, how many students accepted first. Then, so we'll try to find the accepted, 70% accepted, so he gave me the percent. So he needs a part which is accepted before we take from them to enroll. Let's calculate the accepted student. So it's part over whole. so it will be, I need the part, okay, accepted, over whole 20,000 equal, how much percent? 70 over 100. Okay, so the formula here, I can cross multiplication, so the accepted are down 100, up 70 multiply 20,000. Okay, simplify. Okay, so it's 70 times 20, 200, it will be 7 times 2, 14,000, only 14,000 accepted. Okay, so this is the first step. I know now that I have 14,000 students accepted, but we will not put all enroll. 25 only of them enrolled. So we will start with 14,000 as whole. Next step, we will start with 14,000 as whole. Okay, let's start it by whole. So the whole now is 14,000. And I need to know how much student enrolled. So enroll student equal what percent? 25% enrollment. Okay, over 100. Let's calculate the enroll equal down 100, up 14000 multiply 25. Okay, 2 zeros 2 0. Then 25 times 140 is founded by calculation. You will find it the number of students which accepted. It's on, I think it's 3,500, something like this. Okay, calculate it. So we calculate it by 2 way. Okay, again, next question. Which of these are equivalent? Which is equivalent? Okay, equivalent here means which gives the same value. So I can translate it from the, it's 60%. So it's 60 over 100 multiply of means multiply 25. So it's the same. I can write it in another way form, 0.6 multiply 25. Yes, yes, I can both write it in this form. Or I need to find what here by the formula. I think I need to find 60% of this. So I need the part because this is the whole. So I need part. So part, consider it x over whole 25 equal 60 over 100. So all are true. All these are true. Do I have anyone like this here? Yes, first one, I need the part. The first one is right. Because I need the part here, so I will multiply. It will give me the part. Yes, first one is right. Second one is wrong. Third, 60 over, I can write it 60 over, so I can take 0 from here, 0. So it will be 6 over 10 equal x over 25. Yes, it's right. It's right. Again, 60 over 100 fourths equal 25 over x is wrong. X over 25 is right. Equal, yes, number 4 is right too. Yes. So last one is right too. No, last one is not right because this 6, it should be 0.6. So that's all. This is the 3 parts. Okay. Next one. Tyson multiplied 75 by 1.115. Okay. Which number might Tyson be trying to find? I will write it in another form. I can write it as 75 multiply. Okay, he multiplied, so I use multiply. Multiply what? 1 point. Instead of writing 1.15, I can write it as 115 over 100. Yes or no? Yes. So I can write this as what? As a percent. So I can write it as 115 percent multiply 75. So 100 multiply here means what? So I can write it as 115%, okay, of 75. Yes, because of means multiply. So I can choose which one. Which one? Yes, first one. That's right. Last question. Sarah left this number as a tip for the waiter. This was 18%. So this is a number and this is its percent of the bill. So the number of the bill will be the whole. So this is the part. Okay? And this is the percent. And I need to find what? The whole. So find the whole, please. Okay? By using the formula, it's easy. Okay? Thank you for listening. Inshallah, we'll continue our revision. Thank you. See you. Bye.